Welcome back everyone. Today I am going to share a crowd pleaser and party weekend recipe with you, which has proteins, carbs, veggies and cheese, and it's served with homemade salsa. I'll also be sharing homemade salsa recipe with you today. So without any delay, let's get started. Heat a heavy bottom pan and add 1 pound of ground chicken. I'm not adding any oil to the pan because chicken is going to release some oil and is going to cook in the same oil. We'll cook the chicken until it is no longer pink and is crumbly in the end. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Now, in the same pan, take some oil and saute finely chopped onions, and when onions change the color, mix them with the chicken. Then we'll start adding our spices. Add half teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon black pepper and salt to taste. Mix the spices and cook until the chicken is crumbly. After that, remove the chicken in a bowl. Now we'll start preparing our toppings for the nachos. Slice 1 jalapeno pepper, spring onion, cut an avocado into small cubes and then chop a tomato. After all the chopping is done, we'll start arranging the tortilla chips in the baking tray and start layering with the toppings. First goes the cooked chicken, then few boiled beans, sliced olives, I have some leftover chicken from the night before, so I am adding that also. Then goes the veggies. We'll add jalapenos, some spring onions, chopped avocados, tomatoes and some red onion. Then we'll make a layer of shredded cheese. I have shredded and added both mozzarella and cheddar cheese. After this layer of cheese, again we'll make a second layer of tortilla chips, chicken, beans, veggies and cheese on the top. Then we'll bake these nachos in preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. While our nachos are cooking, we'll start making the tomato salsa. We'll be adding 2 chopped tomatoes and 2 roasted tomatoes in our salsa. For roasting the tomatoes, first slice the tomato, remove the pulp and add 2 garlic cloves. Add some olive oil and roast them at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll add the finely chopped jalapenos into the same bowl in which we removed the tomato pulp. Add finely chopped cilantro. Then goes the onion, 2 chopped tomatoes. Mix them nicely with the help of a fork and press the mixture to squeeze out the juices. Add some lemon juice. Then add red chili powder, salt to taste, and ground cumin. Our roasted tomatoes are ready. Add them to a blender jar and make a smooth paste. Add the tomato pulp into the same bowl in which we added the chopped tomatoes. Mix them very nicely for all the juices to blend together. Adjust salt and cumin according to your preference if needed. This salsa recipe is so fresh that it's gonna light up your eyes, and roasting the tomatoes provide a deeper flavor to this recipe. Our nachos are also ready. Top them with a dollop of sour cream and serve with fresh homemade salsa. And without wasting any time, just dig in. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.